Today we are at the Hiroshima castle. There is a Shinto shrine here as well. These are the moats around it. So this was the Meiji Emperor's headquarters, but it was destroyed in the nuclear blast. Only the foundations remain. What was it with the kings and the emperors that they just wanted to build their castle high up? Then they realized that further down the line, people with bad knees are going to come to see these places and are going to struggle. Arigatou gozaimasu. Oh, one ticket.
Oh, thank you.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
ありがとうございます。
There is a audio guide as well, which is quite useful. I think you need to connect to the Wi-Fi. They give the Wi-Fi and password as well. This castle was built about 400 years ago on the banks of the river, and they used silt from the bank of the river to make piles and then make the foundations and then build the castle on top of that. The original castle did not survive the Hiroshima nuclear blast, and it was rebuilt in 1950s. There is a temple as well in the grounds of the castle. This building seems to be closed. I think this also was destroyed in the nuclear blast, and it was rebuilt in the 1960s.